Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Gmail not receiving emails. So let's just get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply ensure that you have enough storage space. So in order to do that, simply open your Gmail, tap on the top left triple lines icon, and this is where you want to simply go all the way down and then clear out bins if you have deleted anything in the past. Also, you can simply go ahead and tap on your account tab and then tap on manage your Google account, and this is where you want to simply go down to manage storage. If you don't find it around here, you can simply go ahead and look for the data and privacy tab, and this is where you can simply go ahead and click on delete on majority of your things right over here. So you can also go ahead and remove your data from services that you no longer use, which should also go ahead and help you out. If it still doesn't help you out, then you might need to simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your application, or even check your spam and trash folders. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.